What I have here is the Hoover Windtunnle Rewind. It advertises as if it can get pet hair up pretty good, it says. Well, in my opinion, it does. It works well. Works on my carpet. But those who have pets all know and understand that the stairs get a lot of traffic. In my case, I have 3 dogs. All 3 are white. So here's what my steps normally look like once a week. I do my best to maintain them, but just vacuuming it doesn't work. So with that being said, here's a couple steps I've already done, but there's a trick. So let me show you real quick. As you can see, I got the attachment for carpet. I'm gonna turn it on for a minute. I'll show you how I do this. So, as you can see, it's gotten up some of the hair, but that's if you maintain it on a daily basis. You probably can keep it up. And what I do is, in this case, there's a trick. And I take a wet washcloth. And with this wet washcloth, I'll brush all the hair back. And as you can see, just by doing that alone, getting in the cracks, you can see how much hair is there. Now I'll pick it up. See just from that small section that I've done how to remove the hair that just builds up throughout the time. And I do that very good with it's made for pet hair, the Hoover Windtunnle Rewind.